Good afternoon, John here. Well, or I guess it's a late afternoon, early evening. I went kayaking this afternoon, but I'm putting the hardware on this pocket door for the bathroom up there that I'm finally getting around to finishing. But this is the pole that I went with. It's a brass, solid brass pole, and that's the mortise. And this is how I mortise these. They're radiused like that. So I use this marking gauge to describe the sides on both sides. And then I use this radius here for here. And then the rest I use the router. I do the shallow cut first, and then I do the deeper cut. But that's how I've done them through the years. It seems to work pretty well. When they're square, it's actually a little easier. You can just use a chisel to finish off the final. But this one, I had the radius on the half-inch bit wasn't quite right, so I had to do a little tighter. I suppose you could get a smaller router bit. Maybe a 1/4 inch, or maybe a 1/4 inch or 3/16 or whatever. But this is my door holder I've had for years. I just made it out of 2x4s and plywood, and then I always stick a wedge in it to keep it from flopping around and then I just use a 2x4 on the other side. But you always got to remember to seal the bottoms of your doors. I don't have stain down there, but I've got a coat of the sealer. This is along with the sawdust here. This is a, let's see, I think it was Colonial Maple I went with. Yeah, Colonial Maple. And then this Varathane polyurethane, water-based polyurethane in the satin is what that is. So it turned out all right. I'm going to put the roller catches on the top, and then I'm going to go up and hang it, and then I'll have to trim it. So, alrighty, working through the aches and pains here, this old man, I guess. You all have a good one. God bless.